Paula Deen 9.5 quarts, 1700 watt, family sized air fryer, rapid air circulation system, single basket system, ceramic non-stick coating, simple knob controls, 50 recipes, 1 year warranty, red color. Hi, welcome my friend. Paula Deen 9.5 quarts family sized air fryer allows for larger portions of food to be cooked at faster cooking times. Plus, the simple knob design makes it easy to use for family members of all ages. Simply place the food in the air fryer, set the timer and temperature dials, and that's it. Paula has also added a handy cooking guide on top that shows the most common temperatures to choose from. Once the timer goes off, your food is ready, and you will find that it's crispy, juicy, and a whole lot healthier than anything cooked in a deep fryer. That's because little or no oil is used, so there is fewer calories. Finally, it won't heat up your kitchen or leave a mess on your hands. In fact, our single basket is made with a ceramic non-sticking coating to make the cleaning a breeze. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.